everybody? It is your girl Rosa. It is your fave, back at it again with another video. I'm here with my daughter. We're just gonna do a daily vlog because we're actually doing stuff today. We're gonna have a girls day, a mother-daughter day. If you know me, you know I love to date my children, so I take them out individually on date nights or date days. As of right now, it is 11:36 in the morning, so it's time for us to go get some coffee. So the first stop is going to be Starbucks. I'm super duper excited. Just wanted to bring you guys along, even though it's like a private, intimate moment for me and my daughter. But literally, she can even tell you, I have not vlogged in a month and a half. The last time I vlogged was for my trip, and it's literally been a month and a week that I haven't vlogged. So I figured I'd come back with a bang and just take you along with me. I have a couple of errands that I need to do as well while I'm out, and then we'll just figure it out together, honestly. But yeah, first things first, we need some coffee. Even though honestly I drank a Red Bull, I'm not gonna lie, I have this weird particular addiction with Red Bull. It's quite literally embarrassing. I wake up and I need a Red Bull and I don't know what else to do. I think it's because the coffee actually hurts my stomach. But yeah, neither here or there. We outside today. We outside! Alright, we'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we got our coffee. Cheers! Cheers. Personally, I don't like drinking from here. But when I asked for a straw, she looked at me like I had 8 heads. And she made me wait for one straw for Malannie. Alright, we are going to stop at Ulta because I need to pick up some dry shampoo. And then I'm going to let Malannie pick something from there. And I also want to stop at the Marshalls that are right here to look at clothes for Azai. Because he literally grew out of everything. So it's literally in the same plaza. So we're going to go now.
He is 9 months today.
Oh yeah, Azai turned 9 months today. I don't know how to feel. 9 months in, 9 months out, you know. It reminds me of it reminds me of when Malannie was a baby and when Zayden was a baby.
This is my favorite drink because I just eat the whipped cream first.
There's tacos here. I wonder if they're good. Okay, so we went to Ulta and we're in Marshalls. They always have the Halloween stuff out and you have to like always try to get it before everyone gets it. This is such a cute blanket, but it's pink and I don't like that. This one's nice. This one I don't like. They don't really match. Look at her. They don't really match my aesthetic. But maybe like a fall color, like this. I love this one. And it's $25, which is not bad at all. I have a couple things in my cart. I got this thing for Malannie. She wanted a spa headband. I also got this. And then I got these so I could start dermaplaning. And yeah, let's go to the baby aisle. Okay guys, so we just got back from Ulta and Marshalls. When I tell you, first of all, that Marshalls is out of control. It is literally out of control. And then they pressure you into trying to sign up for the credit card. And I'm like, no, thank you. She's like, yeah, but you could just try again. If you tried before, when was the last time you tried? I said, no, thank you. So then she's like, oh, do you want to do a donation for diabetes or whatever? And I'm like, okay. She's like, yeah, you can round it up like to the whole dollar. Like it'll be $41 because that's what I spent, 40. And I'm like, okay. And she's like, oh, or if you want, you could add more. Like, girl, just put and that's it. Just put the dollar and that's it. Like, you're literally blowing mine. I just want to pay and I want to leave. Anyway, I went to go find some stuff for Azai. And I couldn't find anything. We literally, like, I found 2 outfits that I was like, oh, okay, maybe I'll buy. But girl, like, I seen 2 little sweatsuits that were cute, but they kind of looked cheaply made, and it was weird because it was Nike. So I was like, yeah, I'm just not gonna grab it. He did need like tank tops, and I found a pack of 3, but for $13, I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that either. So what I'm gonna do is actually go to Burlington. There's a new Burlington in Clifton, New Jersey, if you're familiar with the area. I'm going to check that out, and then maybe I might go to the mall. Maybe. I'm thinking about it. Because I wanted to stop in Sephora because there's a particular spray that I want. It's like a body mist, and I've been really into body mist lately. I also want to smell a specific perfume because my birthday is coming. So I think that's what I'm gonna ask my husband for. And then I just wanted the body spray. Oh, and one lip liner because I did get the Fenty lip products. I did get the Fenty lip products that I said that I wanted. So I'm going to do that. Let me get off of here from vlogging because you're obstructing my view. You guys, when we get to New Burlington, okay? Okay, so the New Burlington is a bust, a bad bust. This is why I don't try anything new, and I specifically go to the ones that I always go to. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to the Burlington that I always go to, and next to Burlington is Willowbrook Mall, and they have a Sephora there, so I can just stop in that Sephora instead of going all the way to the other mall to stop in the Sephora that I normally go to. Yeah, other than that, I think that is it on our to-do list, honestly. It was a bus. It's a bus. It's been a bus for a couple minutes now.
We did find some cute pictures, though.
Huh?
We did find some
Yeah,
cute
there was
pictures.
cute, like, pictures. I actually wanted to grab one specific one, and that was one for the living room, but they didn't have 2, and I need 2 for both sides, so they didn't have that. Let's go to the other store and figure it out. So let's go. The chips. That's what we need. Look like a fake Stanley, Malannie.
Look at the bedazzled one, too.
What bedazzled one? Oh, yeah. They have Beetlejuice. Like the movie. Oh, look, this is for Ed. I love mugs. Mugs are good. I really like this. It's super cute, and it's $25 to put under the TV. So I like it a lot. Alright. So we went in there and I found a couple of things. They seem so basic, honestly, like Nike tracksuits, Nike sweatsuits, and I don't want Azai in sweatsuits all the time. He does have like jeans and stuff, so maybe that might be a deal, but I think I should rather come shopping with John with me, like, and stuff. I found some stuff that I thought I wanted to get for the house, but everything like I picked up was damaged, like pictures, vases. Like I picked up a floral thing and it was like cracked and stuff like that, so I don't know about that. But there's a mall literally across from here. I'm going to try to go in there. Honestly, I hate going to a mall that I'm not familiar with, so I probably might just like exit, like not even do that, and just head home for the day. It is 2:39 and we've been out since 11, so we had a fun-filled day. What about you?
I had a good time.
Yeah, so we're just hanging out and stuff like that. It is lunchtime, and me and Malannie haven't ate. So I think we're gonna go home and just end the day for today. I'm not happy with like certain things that I found, but I did get some things. Like, it's not like a complete waste and stuff like that. So I will see you guys home. I'm out of here. Yeah. I think about is you, even when you're with my boo. Okay, vloggy vlog. We ended up going to the mall. I ended up going to Sephora to pick up. They didn't have the things that I wanted. I just picked up my birthday gift and I purchased a lip liner. I guess I'll do like a small haul when I get inside the house. But yeah, we're going home now. It is officially like 5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. and we've been out the house since 11. So yeah, let's go home and relax and hang out and just, you know, get comfortable because your girl is tired.
Why your mom has no money to spend on herself. It's me. Hi. I'm the problem. It's me.
Guys, we are walking back to the house. I just wanted to give you a look at my outfit. It's super duper cute. It's from Shein. What's your outfit?
Just this shirt and then some jeans.
Woo, super cute.
And I have elf socks on.
Elf socks. And you have no jacket on and the wind is blowing. Starting to feel like fall in Jersey. It's not super cold. It's like 73 maybe. But it's a little windy. So because it's windy, it feels a little bit colder than normal. But yeah, let's get inside. Hey friends, so we're back in the house. I'm just gonna do a quick haul of what me and your girl got. So Malannie ended up getting this Bioma trio set. I ended up getting a Morphe puff. I needed one. I got the Fenty new lippies that they have. Super duper cute. I've been seeing them all over my For You page. So they look like this. And this is the color. And I ended up getting the color, I believe, Fenty Glow. Yeah, the color Fenty Glow, which is 03. I originally went there, literally, because this is literally what I went there for. My dry shampoo, they didn't have the big one, so I got a small one. I got some cotton rounds so that I can do my micellar water and my toners. And then I also got the Osea Undear Cleansing Body Polish. This was my birthday gift from Ulta. And then from Sephora, I ended up getting this Makeup Forever lip pencil. I really wanted the color in Endless Cacao, but when I got there, it looked super duper dark and it reminded me of the brownie that I got from Morphe. So I ended up just going with the color Anywhere Caffeine, which is like a mauve color, and I think these two lippies would like look really good. And I ended up getting my birthday gift. It is 3 cents from Gucci, and literally that is it from there. And Marshalls, because we ended up going to Marshalls. Malannie got this that I showed you. It spins. It's for her skincare. She has like a lot of skincare and makeup stuff, so she wanted that. I wanted to try out this heatless curl set. I got it in the cheetah color. I was gonna get it in the blue, but it was open, so I just ended up getting this. I got some razors so that I can dermaplane. I want to start dermaplaning so that my skin looks flawless and not lumpy and stuff like that. Malannie ended up getting this little like headband with pearls on it, super duper cute, so she can do skincare. And I also went and got Azai a little Melly snack box mini, so it looks like this, and this is basically so that he can carry his puffs, his chips, and his little yogurts that he has, and I can just pack it with me in the baby bag. He didn't have anything like this, and I was like, dang, how am I supposed to pack this boy some snacks? So yeah, pretty much that's it. I also got a package from Amazon that I opened. I am going back to nursing school. I'm going to go get my master's in nursing so that I can do my nurse practitioner's thing. So I signed up for another 4 years of school. But I got this, and it just says Nurse Life, and this is so that I can put my highlighters, my pencils, and everything like that in my book bag. I ordered highlighters and pencils, but I brought them to work, and then I ordered figs, and I had to get a specific color for school. They wanted me to wear burgundy, so, and then I also got one for work because it was 20% off back to school. So let me just show you really quickly. This is for school. Super duper cute. I think I'm gonna do a back to school haul, like how I would dress up my scrubs. And then the top is here. I ended up getting this super duper cute oversized top. I wanted this top so bad. I originally wanted it in black, but I opted out of it. I got this one as well. This one's for work, just so I can have different varieties for work. And it's just an under scrub. So I got a Figs under scrub, super duper cute. And then I got the matching pants, also super duper cute. It has like the orange decal. But yeah, and then I think with that I spent, oh, it doesn't tell me, but it's Zamora high-rise waisted petite joggers. I also got the Salta seamless long sleeve under scrubs, the Raffaella 3-pocket scrub top, and the high-waisted Zamora scrub pants. So 2 Zamora scrub pants high-waisted, the scrub top, and the oversized shirt is the Raffaella 3-pocket scrub top. But that's it. I'm going to put all my stuff away. I'm going to close out the vlog. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thanks for chilling with me and my daughter today. Come in. We love you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Welcome to the fam. It's free to, you know, support. So don't be shy. And so we love you, and we'll see you next time.